I'm Christian, this is Kylo, and this is our rolling home, the Condor. I went full-time almost over a year now, and about 2,100 miles later, ended up back home in Christian's old stomping grounds. Reconnecting with family and making some much-needed repairs, but now it's finally time to pack up and get back on the road. This is WoahItsChristian.
Oh boy, what did he order now? 9 packages of Amazon sitting right here. Ugh, let's see, is this mic on? Yes, it's on. Alright, let me get a knife. Yeah, I ordered 9 things, but one of them is dog food, so I technically ordered 8 things, but everything I ordered in this box right here, it's not splurging, that I actually needed. Mostly to survive the winter. But yeah, let's open this up. Whoa! That could have been bad. Should we go with the big box first? Yeah, let's do that. No, let's start with the small box. Christmas came early. Kylo. Almost fell in his food bowl. It's saying the smaller one is heavier. Alright, hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Oh, I can't wait to get a bigger RV. Yep, I knew this one would be first. Alright. Because air is important in an RV. So, I finally spent the big bucks on an air compressor. Hopefully this one will last me even until my Class A days, huh? Yeah, I heard this one was really good, so I got this one. And I got this one in blue. They had blue, orange, and red. And it was very hard deciding which color I wanted. But I was thinking about getting orange. The orange and blue looked the best, but when I saw the blue costs $20 less, I went for the blue because blue is also my favorite color. Alright, air pump, that's one. Oh, these are my gloves. I almost didn't recognize these. I bought winter gloves, finally, yes. For the almost 3.5 years I lived in Boston, I have never owned a pair of winter gloves. I've always used my ex-fiance's. But yeah, winter gloves. Oh, this one's really heavy and I have no idea what this is. Oh, this is my hitch riser. Ta-da! So, what I'm gonna do with this, my bike hitch, the e-bike hitch sits a little low because I was thinking about getting a new hitch. I think I had this conversation with you guys. But I decided to keep that bike hitch because it holds the bike better and I already own it, so. But this RV, the hitch sits low to the ground and in a clearance, so if I run anything over the hitch, it's gonna drag it. So I wanted it, plus the look of it, I wanted to sit a little higher too so that I could reach too, but so 6-inch drop and riser right here. Put this back in the box. A super big upgrade I'm so happy about. I bought a heated mattress pad. Ah! I'm so excited to test this out because it gets to 8 degrees on this weekend. This weekend it gets to 8 degrees and I only have like 2 space heaters in this RV, and now I actually just bought a third one too, so That's probably in that bigger box. But yeah, beefing things up for this winter time. So the last winter in this in RV. I'm probably saying that now, but I'm sure it's gonna pop up later. It's gonna happen again later. Watch. That's what every RVer says. We're not doing this again. Oh my god. All right, bought a lock for the e-bike hitch. Finally, this entire time I haven't had a lock for it. But this is for the lock for the hitch pin, Rhino. I heard that was really good too. Like I said, Christmas came early. Oh yeah, this was important because I actually got pulled over on my bike for it. I bought headlamp, bell, and a tail light kit for the bike. And I probably will transfer this to my new e-bike once I buy it. But yeah, I bought a Gator light kit. It's cool. It's called Gator. I should probably charge this right now so I can use it tonight. But yeah, I actually got pulled over the other night, and the cop was super, super nice. And he's like, "Oh, where are you coming from?" I'm like, "I'm visiting from Florida." He's like, "You're from Florida and you're up here?" Everyone's reaction is the same. It's like, "You chose Virginia to ride out the winter?" It's like, what the hell's wrong with you? Alright, first box done. Alright, now to the second box. Okay, so I'm guessing the dog food and the heater is probably just in here because everything was in that little box. Whoa! Okay. Nope. Come on. Nope. Here's my new heater. Same brand as my other one in the bedroom. This one's obviously for the living room. Yep, and then dog food. Kylo will be happy about that. Alright, this just worked like the heater in my bedroom. It has the same remote too, so let's show you right now. H3. There we go. Let's put it to 74. Yeah, 73 for now. Alright, it's on Eco. There we go, it's temperature controlled. Alright, let's see how that works. And this can oscillate. Oh, it's gonna be pointing at the chair. Let's point it back this way. Yep, blow a fuse. Damn. This tire pump is one of the most I'm most excited about, because as you know, I've just been getting like little Walmart tire pumps, like $20 ones, and they break because, well, I'm pretty sure I burned them out. They say they're rated for like 190 psi, 120. And the RV tires are 60 psi. The fronts are 65, and then the rears are 80. But I'm pretty sure I am burning out that pump because I leave it on the entire time, and it takes 20 almost 30 minutes to bump up one tire, depending on how low it is, obviously. But yeah. And then Shane's dad was telling me not to, because I'm pretty sure that's what killed my alternator, but you're not supposed to leave it on. You're supposed to use it in 15-minute intervals and not just leave it on the entire time. Because that's probably what killed my alternator. And then I probably burned out the pump. So this one's battery operated, and you can charge it. It's also a portable charger. And I heard it's really good for RVs, so that's what we're gonna test out. This is Discover by Eaton Wolf. Oh, look at that! It comes with a little nice case too. Better, almost $200 for this thing. Yep. Perfect. I like the cyan, almost green looking. Alright, charger. Do I leave the foam in the bag? Nah, take it out. Look how nice that is. Whoa, that's so cool. Whoa! 50 psi, does it go? Oh, mode, okay, I was about to say. Alright. There's an RV mode! Oh my god! Okay, car, truck, RV. Let's see, how high does RV go? 130, okay. Cool. That's so cool. Alright, I'm gonna save this for later. I just want to play with my new toy for a second. It's nice when you buy stuff you actually needed, right? I'm pretty sure that's what Christmas is all about now. I want to do my bike hitch next, but it is snowing right now, so we will see. Airing up the inner dual. So I had to run in and grab the camera real quick. But dude, look at this. Look at the sky right now. Look at that. I'm putting stuff away and look at the sky. Wow. There you go. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is, dude. All right. See? It gets to 9 degrees tomorrow. So, a lot of you wondering, how the heck are you staying warm in that RV? Well, prepared for that. Space heater running strong for the living room, if it can focus. And then I got another one in the bedroom, right there next to Kylo. It's not focusing. Hi, bud. But I got another one right there in the bedroom. Are you afraid of the camera? Don't be afraid of the camera. Hey, easy, dude. You turn up the blinds with your tail. Give me a kiss. All right, got Supernatural queued up. Sit. This is going to be the second time I have to assemble the bike. I feel like every time you guys see me, I'm opening up a new package. It's my new e-bike. Technically it's the same e-bike, but I bought the same one I had. Hey. Hey. Psst, psst. Guys. Hey, look at me. Over here. Hey. Psst, psst. Wanna go outside? Want a treat? Give me a kiss. Come on, give me a kiss. Come here. Oh!